Hello and welcome to Technical Utkranti, and today we'll be looking into the lessons that I learned with my first AC purchase. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to decide whether we want to go with split AC or the window AC. So I'll list down the advantages and disadvantages with both the choices. Advantages with the split AC are the indoor and the outdoor units are separated. So the outdoor unit, which is responsible for heat expulsion and sound, is situated a bit far away, and as a result you don't feel the sound or the heat within the house. Okay. The disadvantages with split AC is, since firstly it is costlier, secondly since the outdoor and the indoor units are separated, there are gas pipe connections between the two units, from which gas leakage could occur in the due course of time. So it requires a little bit more on the maintenance as years passes. Advantages with the window AC are that they are a little cheaper, and since the indoor and the outdoor units are both combined, there is no long pipes of gas between the indoor and the outdoor units, and therefore as year passes the maintenance is comparatively lower than the split AC. Disadvantages with window AC are as the indoor and the outdoor units are packed together, the outdoor unit, which is responsible for sound and heat expulsion, is quite close inside the house only, so it results in more sound and heat. Okay, so you need to see your requirements. If you have a wall which has an outlet outside of the house, so you can go ahead with window AC, or otherwise you can go ahead with the split AC. Okay, buying a split AC, since I had bought a split AC for my home, I will give some nuances related to buying split AC. So one thing which was told, one advice which was given to me by my good friend, was that if you are doing or purchasing something for the first time, don't go for a high-end alternative, costly alternative. Rather go for a medium range alternative, get lessons from it, and when you do it for the second or the third time, then you can go for a very high-end alternative. Okay, so this is one advice, and one such good brand which provides good air conditioners at an affordable prices is Sanyo. Okay, so then deciding on the tonnage and the star rating. So tonnage depends on the size of the room, not just area but the volume. Okay, and it will also depend on how many people are going to reside in that room. So typically 1 ton should be sufficient for a 10 cross 10 cross 10 feet room with 2 residents. If you want to do greater analysis on this, then you can go to the respective pages doing the Google search, but this is just a fair assumption which I have made here. Then on the star rating, we know that higher the star rating, lesser is the energy consumption, but again, see what are your requirements. If you are running your air conditioner just for 2 or 3 months, and for that you may not require 5-star AC, because those are relatively costlier, and let's say if the age of an air conditioner is, let's say, 5 years or 6 years, just operating it 2 months for a year may not result in so much savings that you will be able to cover the cost that you spent on buying the higher star rated AC at the first place. If you are using the air conditioner for 9 to 10 months, then probably you can go ahead with a 5-star AC. Okay, now some points related to fitting the split AC. So your indoor unit should be such that the flow of air coming out of it should not be going towards your gate. Okay, because if let's say you have a old style home, and the doors will not be providing 100% insulation, and doors will also be frequently opening. This will result in greater loss of cooling. Rather, if the flow of air is towards a wall, so that would provide a better insulation. Then another point is, 3 pipes go from indoor unit. 2 are gas pipes and 1 is water pipe. A water pipe should have a gentle slope. If it will not have a gentle slope, or it will have curves while it goes out, then water will log and it will ultimately start dripping out of the indoor unit inside the room only. So that gentle slope should be there in your water pipe. Okay, and try to have that solid unfoldable pipe for the water pipe. The servicemen, what they will do is, they may ask that if you have that foldable rubber pipe, then they can use that only, but that pipe may get folded and clog the flow of water if there is pressure applied due to any reason. So better have that solid pipe for this purpose. Okay, and after sales service, the servicemen will ask for the feedback, and you may be prompted to give it straight away, but I would say wait for some time, see the performance of the air conditioner. The feedback is done on the online portal, so you can do it after some time also, after seeing the performance. So yeah, this one point you should remember. And lastly, company usually provides 3 to 4 free services in the first year, so make use of it. I hope you have taken some good lessons out of it. Thank you.